I am taking this video because no one will believe me otherwise. Look everyone, it's April and it's snowing. It's freaking snowing. We have blizzard weather in April. I can't barely see down the street. It's so bad. Woo, it's cold too. It was in the 50s yesterday. Look at that, wind is blowing so hard. It's getting to the point that I can't even see the street. I can't see down there, and I can normally see right down that street like nothing. This is messed up. Woo. It's coming down pretty hard.